A completely PC-free and hassle-free method. This video tutorial offers. We'll explain everything step by step. Fixing and recovering Samsung Galaxy A07 phones without a computer. If you'd like, please let us know your specific model in the comments so we can send you a video tutorial tailored to your needs. Okay, the first thing we're going to do. Well, let's explain. First, we have this little padlock in the upper left corner. We have this option down here that says Accessibility. It has accessibility, and now what we're going to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin this process. To start this process so we can finish and get to the home screen. Another thing our phone has is a screen lock and a Google account. We're going to click here on Manual. Okay, we'll get to where we indicated. I also want to mention that we have other methods completely different from this one without a PC, and we also have other methods using a PC. We'll leave them in the video description and also in the first pinned comment. You'll be able to find all those other methods there. Another thing. I want to mention, for those people who might have experienced what happened to me, I changed this screen lock, but after a while, I forgot about it. What I did was, well, for those people who might have, remember the screen lock? You can add it here, click Next, and it will give you access to recover your phone without having to watch this entire video tutorial. That would be one of the options. If you don't remember it either, like what happened to me, you can click here where it says Use my Google account. Here we also have this other option. If you're someone who remembers the email address you have on your phone, you can add it here. You can add the password, and it will give you access to recover your cell phone. That would be another easy way to recover it without having to watch the entire video tutorial. Besides that, it also gives us the opportunity to add. If you don't remember your email or password, add the phone number you had in this email. Add it here. Click Next, and you'll receive a recovery code. Enter that recovery code. Click Next again, and you'll have the opportunity to access your phone. If you don't remember any of that, click here on Forget and type this. You'll do it again here, and again here. Then click Next and do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, what we're going to do now, pay close attention because we're about to begin recovering your cell phone. We're going to wait a second. Just 30 seconds. Now that those 30 seconds have passed, we'll go back. Enable accessibility, enable it. Double-click here, double-click here, double-click. Here again, double-click here, and here we're going to click Deny. Then we turn it off. We double-click here, we click here, we click here. We tap the screen several times, we go back. We click here where it says, Add New Network. We click the gear icon, we click, Update, 3 dots. Update, we go back. We click here on, Reset, Reset. We repeat this entire process for all 4 options. We had to do it, we absolutely have to. Then what we're going to do is restart our phone. We're going to wait for our phone to restart. When our phone restarts, we're going to wait until it takes us directly to the home screen. Leave a comment to let us know if this video tutorial is working for you. If this video tutorial is working correctly for your model. And if you have a different model, leave a comment with your model number. As we've indicated in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we have other completely different methods. Methods with a PC and methods other than this one without a PC. Now that our device has reached the home screen, we're going to click here. We're going to click here on Add, we click here, we go back, we select the first option. Here we're going to do the following. We're going to use another phone. We're going to have a screen lock, we're going to have a Google account. We're going to have the same Wi-Fi network connected. Here's what we're going to do. Click the little camera icon. We're going to click the little camera icon. Here's what we're going to do. Scan and the option to sign in with Google will appear. We're going to click here where it says Sign in with Google, and we'll be synchronizing these two phones. Yes, you see, they're synchronizing. What we're going to do is synchronize both this screen lock that appears here and also this Google account. We're going to synchronize both devices with both the lock and the Google account that our phone had. Here they would be synchronizing and the Google account would automatically be synchronizing, appearing here. As you can see the little ball, that means it was successful. So what we're going to do now is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and now what we're going to do is restart our phone. Now, when our phone is completely restarted, that account that the other device had will be synchronized. This will give us the opportunity to recover our cell phone in one of the easiest and fastest ways, without needing a PC. Let us know in the comments what model you have. If this video tutorial worked for you, and if you have a different model, write to us so we can send you an exclusive video tutorial for your model. Now, what we're going to do is the following. We're going to click here on Start. We're going to click here on Add. This will take us to the section where that lock is located. I mean, where that Google account is. It will show us here that it was added successfully. We click Next. If you saw the email, this was successful. We click here, but don't worry. At the end of the video I'll explain the following options. Here it also appears. We click Accept. Wait a few seconds. Click here on Skip. Wait a few seconds here. This will take us to this other section. We click here on the small print, click Skip, click Skip, click here on Add. Click Next. Wait just a few seconds. Let's wait here. We'll be here now in the final steps of this phone recovery. Now we click here on Start. We'll go to Start, we'll click here to see. We'll click here, we'll see. We'll see here, you can see, and here we can recover it. Here we'll see that Google account we had there, it would be fully synchronized here.